Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Brother HL-L2300 series printer showing offline and refusing to print? Yeah, that's common error that every printer owner faces. But it is not a serious issue, as it arises due to changes in settings, bad connections, and pending print commands. In today's video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to get your printer back. If you want one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you want to go ahead with the video, let's start by checking the connections. Method 1. Check connections. If you're using a USB cable to connect the printer and the computer, ensure the cable is not loose. If the printer is connected via an Ethernet cable, make sure the cable is properly connected to both printer and the router access point. If checking the connection fixed the issue, please subscribe to our channel. If the Brother printer is still showing an offline error, let's check the default printer. Method 2. Check the default printer. Go to your computer, click on the Start menu. Now search for printers and scanners and open it. Scroll and find Let Windows manage my default printer and then turn it off. Once done, scroll up and click on the Brother printer. Click on More Devices and Printer Settings option. Now right-click on the Brother printer and select the Set as Default Printer option. For help related to the Brother's printer, let us know your problem in the comments section. If setting the printer as the default doesn't work, let's check the printer status. Method 3. Check the printer status. On your Windows, click on the Search field, then search for Control Panel. Now open the Control Panel. Click on the View Devices and Printers. Under Printers, find your Brother printer. Right-click on your Brother printer. Now click on See What's Printing option. In the Use Printer Offline window, click on Printer. Select Cancel All Documents. In the pop-up, click on Yes to confirm the cancellation. After cancelling, check your Brother printer device status. If it says Printer Offline, click on Printer again. At last, uncheck the Use Printer Offline option.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.